Taking 2.5 grams twice a day of this powerful adaptogen has lowered creatinine and proteinuria significantly in a study on stage 4 and 5 CKD patients. Katherine from WO Kidney here. Welcome to our journey together to a better kidney health. Chronic kidney disease in stage 4 and 5 is a degenerative condition with very few chances of improvement for the patients. This is what most doctors will tell you about it. Some researchers from Tokyo are not in agreement with this statement, so they decided to test an Asian remedy known for millennia for its kidney protecting properties. This herb is called Astragalus and it's an adaptogen, one of the most important Asian remedies of Chinese medicine. In a breakthrough study, Japanese researchers conducted on 35 stage 4 and 5 chronic kidney disease patients. This natural remedy did what many considered to be a miracle. Today, I'm going to show you all you need to know before trying this remedy. Now guys, what makes this discovery even more amazing is the fact that all the 35 test subjects of the study were already receiving conventional therapy for chronic kidney disease. Test subjects were being treated for CKD-related complications such as hypertension, renal anemia, metabolic acidosis, and mineral bone disease with antihypertensive drug, erythropoietin, baking soda, vitamin D, and more. So basically, some of them were even receiving better care than most patients actually. Now, despite these treatments, none of them were getting any better. All the patients had a declining kidney function in the months before starting the therapy with Astragalus. Then they were administered 2.5 grams of Astragalus twice a day together with conventional therapy. In just 3 months of therapy with Astragalus, their GFR started to go up instead of down. Amazing! And most of the test subjects of this study were in stage 5 pre-dialysis. Now, not surprisingly, test subjects in stage 4 got the best results from the treatment with Astragalus since they were able to maintain their improved GFR for the successive 12 months and probably even more. The researchers concluded Astragalus that can maintain stable levels of eGFR and delay the initiation of renal replacement therapy in patients with progressive CKD stage 4 and 5. So guys, we are talking about a remedy that can help real patients and not one that only works on controlled lab settings. I bet many of you now want to just find some Astragalus and start taking it. I mean, it's clear that it can help, but there are a million different Astragalus preparations on the market and not all of them work, and for some people they're not safe, especially for those on immunosuppressants. So I suggest you to watch the rest of today's video before trying this remedy. A question for you guys before we dip right into the video. Have you ever tried herbal remedies to fight kidney disease? Has your doctor ever recommended them to you? Let's talk about it in comment section. Now you may ask, was this remedy only tested on 35 people? Is that enough to say that it works? Well, actually, there is a large Cochrane review of studies that was conducted just to answer this question. We are talking golden standard here. A Cochrane review is an analysis conducted by researchers who specialized in investigating, evaluating, and scrutinizing all the studies available on a certain subject to tell us if what the studies found out is repeatable and reliable. They found out about large amounts of benefits of Astragalus for all kidney disease patients, not just those in stage 4 and 5. This review was conducted on 22 studies that involved 1,323 participants, of whom 241 were receiving dialysis treatment. What this review found out is that Astragalus as an adjunctive treatment to conventional therapies was found to offer some promising effects in reducing proteinuria and increasing hemoglobin and serum albumin, which is actually amazing, no doubt about it. Proteinuria is one of the most important markers of kidney disease progression, and just like for eGFR, seeing an improvement in this level in people with chronic kidney disease is not common. Authors also noted that Astragalus worked best for people in the earlier stages of kidney disease, unsurprisingly, and also that it produced a very significant improvement in blood pressure, 16/10 millimeters on average. This is also consistent with what other studies more focused on the general benefits of Astragalus found out. In fact, Astragalus as a natural dietary supplement is used to treat various health conditions. Many people use it to treat the common cold, upper respiratory infections since it has impressive immune boosting properties. Some proponents of Astragalus also use it for its possible heart benefits. Besides the blood pressure lowering properties, we have seen Astragalus is also supposed to protect against heart disease. This is because it's a potent anti-inflammatory. In fact, some people even use it to treat fibromyalgia, a condition accompanied with widespread inflammatory pain. It's also used to improve overall weakness and osteoarthritis. Now, very interesting. Astragalus is the most frequently prescribed herb to help with diabetes management in China. And there is evidence to back this claim. The active compounds in Astragalus root seems to be able to lower blood sugar levels in people with type 2 diabetes. Now, these benefits on diabetes, heart health, inflammation, and blood pressure levels can already tell us how powerful Astragalus is in treating kidney problems. But there is more here. As we can see, Astragalus has also been used to treat infections of the kidneys thanks to its immune supporting properties and as a detoxifier. However, in China, the main use for this ancient remedy is an age-reversing treatment. Now, very important. What dosage is best for treating kidney disease with Astragalus? This remedy can be found in many different forms. You can find the root like this I have here, as you can see, or you can find it in powder form. Okay. The dosages you see here are for the powder form. As we have seen in the Japanese study on people in stage 4 and 5 of chronic kidney disease, 2.5 grams of powdered Astragalus were administered twice daily for up to 12 months. Now, this is the dosage I will be starting with personally. Additionally, some research shows the following doses to be useful for certain conditions. For heart failure, 2 to 7.5 grams twice daily for up to 30 days. For blood sugar control, 40 to 60 grams of Astragalus were used. Now, in this study, they weren't using the powdered root but a decoction. Also, to treat kidney infection, 7.5 to 15 grams of powdered Astragalus twice daily were used. You can find Astragalus as a supplement on Amazon.com, both in powder form or as an extract. The root may also be ground into a powder if that's all you can find. But if you buy it on Amazon, get the extract. It's a lot easier to swallow a couple of pills than to make a decoction twice a day. Consider that the 100 milligrams of extract equals to 1000 milligrams of powder. So if you want to take the equivalent of 2.5 grams of powder, you will need 250 milligrams of extract. This is a common dosage. As usual, guys, talk to your doctor before trying any new natural remedy. Natural not always means safe. Besides, Astragalus is pretty safe. It was literally used for thousands of years, and as we have seen, it was tested in combination with the normal therapies for kidney disease without problems. It may have side effects though, especially for those taking immunosuppressing drugs or for people with an immune system disease and for people who received an organ transplant. So be safe. Okay guys, a new video is coming next Tuesday and I hope to see you there. In the meantime, keep taking good care of your kidneys and be good to yourself. This is all for today. Thank you for watching.